This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Zena Ward. Great end unit condo open floor plan. First floor master bedroom, great room dining area. With cathedral ceilings, eat-in kitchen light and bright unit with skylights, walk-in closets, nice storage fireplace. Near bases, amphitheater, shopping centers, schools, parks, oceanfront, farmers market, etc. Open house Saturday 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. No for sale sign on property. For more information, review the details below or contact Zena Ward at 757-549-2000.